With 2.24 million subscribers, the popular YouTube channel Vehicle Virgins specializes in covering autos and vehicles. The channel was established in 2012 and its headquarters are in the US. So you might be wondering, how much money do the Vehicle Virgins make? You might also want to know how much money Vehicle Virgins makes. Outside of Vehicle Virgins, no one really knows, but let's go over what we do. Although the precise amount of Vehicle Virgins' net worth is still being confirmed, Net Worth Spot has estimated it at $974.7K using data. The $974.7K forecast is solely predicated on YouTube ad revenue. In all likelihood, Vehicle Virgins' net worth is significantly higher. In fact, some analysts estimate Vehicle Virgins' net worth to be close to $1.36 million when considering all of the different ways the YouTube channel can make money. Palo Alto, California is the place of Parker's 1994 birth. He was already a car nut at 3 years old. He would construct dragsters, he could sit in and act out driving out of Tinker Toys and duct tape. Parker spent around 3 years being educated at home at his own request. He enrolled in a college-level machine metal and engine rebuilding school when he was 11 years old. That only made him love cars more. Owner of the Vehicle Virgins YouTube channel, Parker Nierenstein, reviews and criticizes several exotic high-performance vehicles here. He takes out loans from different local dealers and private owners. But as his fame grows, several automakers like Hyundai and Toyota are sending him some of their newest models so he can test drive them for a week at a time. Other times, different auto aficionados merely lend him the vehicles so he may drive them. Vehicle Parker first had the concept for Virgin after his friends constantly asked him for guidance on their first automobiles because he was a car aficionado. He began out on YouTube by making videos for pleasure, and after 2.5 years, things really took off. He attends the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor, where he studies mechanical engineering. He was able to purchase his dream vehicle, a 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo, thanks to YouTube and the 40 hours a week of paid internship at Ford and Toyota. Parker was a guitarist in a band all through high school. He competed in wrestling, karate, cross-country running, and golf while making the varsity squad. At age 16, he earned his diploma in 2011. Parker continued his education by enrolling at the University of Michigan to study mechanical engineering. He learned how to work hard and be consistent from the demanding coursework and classes skills that came in handy when he started the Vehicle Virgins YouTube channel. This is what people miss. I don't just record myself driving about and having fun for 18 minutes, upload it to YouTube and call it a day, he added. In essence, I work 19 hours each day, almost 7 days per week. What are the earnings of Vehicle Virgins? More than 4.06 million people watch the videos on the Vehicle Virgins YouTube channel each month. A channel that uses advertising as a method of monetization makes money for every 1,000 video views. For every 1,000 views of a video on a monetized YouTube channel, they can make between $3 and $7. If Vehicle Virgins falls within that range, Net Worth Spot estimates their annual income to be $243.68 thousand or $16.25 thousand per month. Some YouTube channels can make even more than $7 for 1,000 video views. The highest case scenario suggests that Vehicle Virgins might earn $438.62 thousand each year. Popular YouTubers can increase their earnings by marketing their own products, in addition to those of sponsors. They could also receive spoken presentations. Then there's like a couple of minutes for breathing. He continued, underscoring how much of a grind it is to expand your channel to millions of subscribers. So it's recording, editing, planning videos, emailing, dealing with brands, and then there's like a couple of minutes for breathing. But it has undoubtedly paid off. The monthly revenue from advertising alone is thought to bring in close to $50,000 for Vehicle Virgins, with sponsorships, merchandise, Instagram, and other sources added together. Parker Nierenstein is estimated to have a net worth of about $5 million. There were claims that Parker's father was a software entrepreneur who had sold his business and amassed a fortune. Part of this is accurate. In reality, he works on 8 distinct Silicon Valley firms, one of which was sold for $1 billion. By the time they were acquired, venture capitalists had acquired the majority of that business. Although his father fared well, he is not a billionaire, and he made no contribution to Parker's construction of Vehicle Virgins. After deducting YouTube's portion, the platform pays its creator $2 to $7 for every 1,000 monetized views. A whopping 40% to 80% of all views are paid for. The device being used, the viewer's location, the ad inventory, the amount of ads in a video, the proportion of viewers who skip them, the advertisement's design, ad engagement, the kind of content, etc. all have an impact on these factors. The cost of a view of an advertisement is decided by an auction between advertisers based on views. Advertisers are required to make a minimum bid of $0.01 per view. Additionally, there is a program called Google Preferred, via which wealthy businesses can target advertisements on the top 5% of most popular content. Here, the advertising rates are higher than usual. Subscribers to YouTube Red who pay a monthly fee to access premium content on YouTube, as well as ad-free video streaming, provide additional revenue for YouTubers. Here, they are compensated according to sponsored films from various businesses who are prepared to send thousands for visibility. Parker is able to supplement his income. He has done work for businesses including Opinion Outpost and Metro Mile, among others. How long do people watch their movies? They make more money when people watch their films for a longer period of time. Like any well-known YouTuber, Vehicle Virgins has experienced its share of controversy. The hood of Rod Dom's 3-rotor RX-7 was once harmed by Parker. Parker refused Rob's request to pay for a new hood when he later made it. Parker and Alex Choi were feuding more lately. After Alex overturned the electric golf cart Parker was traveling on, he charged that Alex was trying to kill him. In the process of severely spraining his ankle, Parker smashed his camera. He felt he should have received payment, but he didn't. Then there was Damon Fryer, who chastised Parker for consuming narcotics before getting behind the wheel and causing multiple crashes. Parker responded by labeling Damon a racist and asserting that he has video evidence to support his claim. Parker acknowledges that he had struggled with drug addiction, but he claims he's now sober and is willing to submit to a drug test to demonstrate this. You have to ask yourself at some point how much of this is genuine and how much is YouTube drama you know. In any case, Mr. Vehicle Virgin should do a victory lap for his impressive net worth, which, supposing Parker stays honest, should continue to grow. If you didn't know, YouTubers primarily get their money via adverts. In other words, they join YouTube's monetization scheme and start earning money from the advertising they place in their videos. They typically receive between $2 and $7 for every 1,000 views on their films that are paid for. As a result, this is how Vehicle Virgins profit from YouTube advertisements, and from only ad money. He earns about $400,000 annually. Parker has always had a passion for cars, even as a young child. As a result, he continued to pursue internships at auto manufacturers and even began writing car reviews. But when his friends kept coming to him for ideas and help on automobiles, he got the idea to start Vehicle Virgins and join the YouTube network. Most of his buddies would heed his counsel before purchasing their first cars because he loves cars. Parker took inspiration from this and founded the YouTube channel Vehicle Virgins to aid those who are unfamiliar with automobiles and in need of unbiased assessments. Vehicle Virgins' popularity can be attributed to the fact that its developer, Parker, is a fervent auto lover who enjoys his work. Even more, he claimed that he enjoys working on his YouTube channel and finds fulfillment in the fact that he is assisting millions of people worldwide. And what better way to make money than by doing what you enjoy? Parker has been active on YouTube for about 7 years, and over time, his channel has grown in popularity. His video titled 6 Reasons Why I Hate the Ford GT has received over 8.5 million views to date, making it his most popular to date.